Today, we will continue our lessons with coordinates. Last week, we learned about finding the distance between 2 points. Today, we are going to find the midpoint between 2 points. Let's look at this diagram. Let's look at these 2 points here. If we want to find the midpoint, one easy way is to count the units between these 2 points. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. The midpoint would be, well, half of 6 units, which is 3. So, 1, 2, 3. The midpoint is here. The coordinate is 1, 3. The other method is to use subtraction and division. Let's look at the coordinate. The first coordinate is -2, 3. The second coordinate is 4, 3. Note that the coordinate y for both points are the same, which is 3. So the coordinate y for the midpoint is also 3. Let's look at the x-coordinate. The first one is -2, and the second one is 4. The midpoint of these two x-coordinates is the sum of them, and then divided by 2. So we add them up, -2 plus 4, and then divided by 2. -2 plus 4 is 2. Divided by 2 is 1. So the midpoint for the x-coordinate is 1. The answer is 1, 3. So in general form, to get the midpoint of x-coordinate, we add up the x-coordinate, x1 plus x2, and then divide it by 2. Let's look at the next one. To find the midpoint, we count the units between the 2 points. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units. The midpoint would be, well, half of 7 units, which is 3.5. So, 1, 2, 3, 3.5. The midpoint is here. The coordinate is 4, -0.5. The other method is to use subtraction and division. Let's look at the coordinate. The first coordinate is 4, 3. The second is 4, -4. Note that the coordinate x for both points are the same, which is 4. So the coordinate x for the midpoint is also 4. Let's look at the y-coordinate. The first one is 3, and the second one is -4. The midpoint of these two x-coordinates is the sum of them, and then divided by 2. So first we add them up. 3 plus -4, and then divide that by 2. 3 plus -4 is -1. -1 divided by 2 is -0.5. So the midpoint for the y-coordinate is -0.5. The answer is 4, -0.5. So in general form, to get the midpoint of y-coordinate, we add up the y-coordinate, y1 plus y2, and then divide it by 2.